How to upgrade your managed channel to a Pro channel? First, send the start command to your bot. Then click Channel Setting. Here you can see how many Pro Community slots you have available to allocate. If you don't have enough slots, click here to head to the subscription page and upgrade your account plan. On the subscription page, any plans with ProCom in the Community section will increase your slot. Now select this channel. This channel access is free. Click Switch to Pro. You'll get a reminder of your remaining Pro Community slots here, and you can also click the button to quickly go to the subscription page. When you have enough Pro Community slots, just click Yes. Your channel is now successfully upgraded access to Pro, which unlocks more channel management and operation features like Loop Post. Additionally, you can upgrade your channel in OnlyTG console. Click Channel, check the allocated Pro Community slots, and click Switch to Pro from the More menu. Just click Yes, your channel has successfully upgraded to a Pro channel.